Şimdi koyalım. Buraya şey koyuyorsun. Değil mi? Anne.
Welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today, I'm sharing the recipe for crispy dessert with its amazing crispy taste. First, let's prepare the syrup. Add 3 cups of sugar to a pot using a standard cup. Add 2 cups of water. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Stir occasionally until it comes to a boil. Once it starts boiling, let it simmer over medium heat for about 15 minutes. The syrup should thicken slightly. Before removing from the stove, squeeze in the juice of a quarter lemon. Stir for a few seconds. Then remove from heat and let it cool. For the dough, add 2 teaspoons of instant yeast to a mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of warm water. And mix well. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Not too full. And 2 teaspoons of turmeric. Mix again. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Gradually add 1 cup of flour while stirring constantly with a whisk. To adjust the consistency, I added a bit more warm water. In total, I used just 2 fingers less than 1.5 cups of warm water. I added 1 heaping tablespoon of flour again. So in total, I used 1 cup plus 1 tablespoon of flour. We need to mix it very well with a whisk until the batter is completely smooth. You can see the consistency. I thoroughly cleaned a mustard bottle and filled it with the prepared batter. You can also use a ketchup or mayonnaise bottle. Close the lid and let it rest in a warm place for about 20 minutes. Add about 1.5 cups of oil to a wide pan and heat it up. Pour the batter into the hot oil, shaping it as shown in the video by swirling the bottle. It may be a bit difficult on the first try. I struggled too. But after that, you'll get the hang of it and can make nice shapes easily. Fry both sides lightly until just slightly golden, not too dark. Drain the excess oil well and place the fried desserts into the warm syrup. Let them soak for about 2 minutes, then transfer to a plate. Prepare all the desserts in the same way and they'll be ready to serve. I believe you will love them too. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe to be notified of my new recipes. I'm looking forward to your likes and comments.